Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve questions 1 to 27, exercise 4a, chapter 5. Chapter name is Integers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 4a questions 1 to 27 of chapter integers, and topics are representation of integers on number line and comparing of integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve some MCQ question, multiple choice question. Question number 21 is, which set of integers is written in ascending order? Here the options are given and we have to find the set of integers which are written in ascending order, that is from smallest to the greatest order. First option is 112 minus 200, 315 minus 48. This is not written in ascending order, as 315 is the greatest and minus 200 is the smallest. So it will be minus 200, starting with minus 200. So this is incorrect. Option D, minus 64, minus 86, minus 101, minus 260. This option also incorrect, as minus 64 is the greatest negative integer in the sets of integers and minus 260 is the smallest negative integer in these sets of integers. So this option also incorrect. Third option C, minus 361, minus 316, minus 163, minus 136. Here minus 361 is the greatest, is the smallest negative integer, and minus 136 is the greatest negative integer. So this option is correct. Is minus 361 is the smallest negative integer, then minus 316, then minus 163, then minus 136. Minus 136 is the greatest negative integer and minus 361 is the smallest negative integer in these sets of integers. This is correct. D, 45, 80, minus 100, minus 125. Here smallest integer is minus 125 and greatest integer is 80. So this option also incorrect. So option C is correct. So option C, minus 361 is less than minus 316 is less than minus 163 is less than minus 136. This is the sets of integer written in ascending order, that is smallest to the greatest. Now we solve question number 22 MCQ questions. Which sets of integers is written in descending order, that is greatest to the smallest order? First option is 0, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. Here greatest integer is 0 and smallest integer is minus 6. So this option incorrect. Starting with 0, then the smallest integer is minus 6, but here minus 2 is the last integer here, so this is incorrect. Option B, 12, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18. Here the 12 is greatest integer, positive integer, and minus 18 is smallest negative integer. This is correct. This sets of integer is arranged in descending order, that is 12 is greater than minus 12 is greater than minus 15 is greater than minus 18. 12 is the greatest positive integer, then minus 12, then minus 15, then minus 18. Minus 18 is the smallest negative integer in the sets of integers. So this is correct. C. 4, minus 8, 10, minus 15. Here 10 is the greatest positive integer and minus 15 is the smallest negative integer. So this option also, here 4 is starting with 4, so this option also incorrect. D. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. Here minus 8 is the smallest negative integer and minus 5 is the greatest negative integer in the sets of integers. So this option also incorrect. So option B is correct. 12 is greater than minus 12, is greater than minus 15, is greater than minus 18. 12 is the greatest positive integer and minus 18 is the smallest negative integer in these sets of integers. So this option is the sets of integer written in descending order. Now we solve question number 23 MCQ questions. 23 is a submarine is at a depth of 8 meter below sea level. A diver is at a depth of 5 meter below sea level and a helicopter is at a height of 100 meter above sea level. And which of the following is in between the other two? We have to find the integers between the two integers. Which integer will be in between the two integers? 8 meter below sea level will be represented in minus 8 and 5 meter below sea level will be represented with negative 5 and 100 meter above sea level will be represented with positive integer positive 100 plus 100. It's above is represented with above sea level, so 100 meter will be positive 100 meter. So positive integer. Here minus 8, minus 5 and 100, these integers are given. We know minus 8, between minus 8 and 100, minus 5 will be placed. If we represent these integers in a number line, then minus 5 will be in between minus 8 and positive 100. So minus 5 meter is in between minus 8 and 100. Minus 8 is less than minus 5 is less than 100. 100 is greater than minus 5 is greater than minus 8. Minus 8 is the smallest negative integer and 100 is the greatest positive integer, and minus 5 will be in between minus 8 and 100. So diver is in between submarine and a helicopter. Diver is represented with minus 5 meter below, so minus 5. Minus 5 is between submarine is 8 meter below sea level, submarine is minus 8, and at a height of 100 meter above sea level, helicopter is at a height of 100 meter sea level, so helicopter is represented with 100 meter positive 100. So diver is in between submarine and a helicopter. Which of the following is in between the other two? So diver will be in between submarine and helicopter. So diver is the option B is the correct option. Now question number 24. 24 is MCQ question. 24 is predecessor of absolute value of minus 1 is which option? Option A is minus 2, option B is 2, option C is 0 and option D is 1. These options are given. We know absolute value of minus 1 is positive 1, that is plus 1, that is positive integer, and we know predecessor means before, that is previous number. So a predecessor of 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So predecessor of absolute value of minus 1 is 0. So option C is correct. Now we solve question number 25 MCQ questions. Question number 25 is absolute value of 10 minus 4 division of absolute value of minus 3 is equal to. Options given are minus 2, A, option B is minus 18, option C is 2 and option D is 3. These options are given. 10 minus 4 is, we know 10 minus 4 is 6 and absolute value of 10 minus 4 is absolute value of 6 is 6. Absolute value of 6 is 6 and absolute value of minus 3 is plus 3, positive integer. So 6 division of 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Absolute value of 10 minus 4 division of absolute value of minus 3. Absolute value of 10 minus 4 is, absolute value of 6 is 6. 6 division of absolute value of minus 3 is 3. 6 division of 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So option C is correct. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my